It's cool.
Check this out.
Ozzybosco, look at you. It's a music, look at you. It's a music, look at you. Look at you, look at you, look at you. We gotta stop. Smile again. We gotta stop. Smile again.
It's Ozzybosco with feet and running. What we do my dance, just what we do my dance. What we rap, what we go, what we do my dance. What we call your friends, what we do my dance. What we rap, what we go, what we do my dance. Do my dance, 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 do my dance. I just chill to get a little silly with my friends. The ladies and my men, the people in the fence. We can do it for the devil and we do it for the band. It's so sure, we be born together. Where the curry go, we can stop it. I'm with all the fans. Watch me do my dance. When I leave back, I'm leaving. Watch me do my dance. Do my dance, watch me do my dance. Do my dance, watch me do my dance. I be taking care of business from here straight out to France. Watch me do my dance, watch me do my dance. I only listen to DJ Currency cause I love the money cash. Watch me do my dance, I get in the groove like you want to. Which one can we come to kill it, another we're flipping it fast and doing it slow like traffic on the third mainland. You watching me like I live in your line of vision, your island. The track is almost over, no extra, no feces, no soaking for you to see that what it is on the track with OCB and CEC.
Respect. Yeah, my name is OZB. Yeah, I know you love the beat. Come on. Come on. Yeah.
Seriously, we need to address some issues going on in our videos. We discover people are watching our videos, and you guys if you to subscribe. One will go to Abeokuta, we'll go to Ibadan, we'll go to so many places. It's not easy. You watch the video finish now, you just watch it. Some people don't even like, you don't even comment, you just go ping. With all my things, some of you will not even like. Please, meet that person, come and talk.
If I tell you all about my experience, where I'm just coming from, you guys will pity for me.
You know what? Watch this video, no subscribe, okay? Just go. Leave that.
And this is how you can subscribe to our channel. Below the video, you will see a subscribe button. Click on the subscribe button. Beside the subscribe button, click on the bell also. This will notify you once we drop a new video. And this is how you can subscribe to our channel. Below the video, you will see a subscribe button. Click on the subscribe button. Beside the subscribe button, click on the bell also. This will notify you once we drop a new video.